Oh shit. See. So I'm gonna. Dada love his daughter. Oh, Dada loves you guys. Dada never crawled with me on the floor, guys.
You have a goal. Someone plays today.
Guys, all kizzies you guys are.
Not your mouth, Roxy, not your mouth.
Very.
Look at that.
That's the value. Stretchy.
Over 15 hours.
Good morning, guys. Actually, it's almost 12 o'clock. It's 4:49, 11:49. What is it? I just took shower, put some makeup on. Anyway, this lipstick is the Wet n Wild. I don't always remember of the shade because I don't know. You guys, if you wanna know, if you want to get the shade, they have only few shades, you know. And Wet n Wild lipstick, the catsuit one, Mega Lust something. Yeah, so they have only few, so it's easy to look. Get down now. Get down now, baby. Down now. I said get down now. I said get down. Be a good girl. Be a good girl. Love this tower, no my boy. Stop it. I changed my mind. I'm not leaving. It's stormy. The cloud is getting darker and darker, and also, guys, yung cloud, guys, it's getting darker and darker. Look at it. Look at it, guys. So, don't see something. Okay, it started. Nag-start na siya, guys. They give us a warning. It's gonna be a thunderstormy. Guys, I'm here upstairs. Gusto nyo makita dito sa taas yung mga stormy ay. Tignan nyo, guys, ay. Ay, nako. Oh my God. Dito tayo sa harapan ng bahay. Wala na akong makita, guys. Tignan nyo. Hello. Yeah, I just bring the vacuum up here because I'm going to clean my filming room. My friends are coming next week, Monday. So, it need to be clean. And this is where they're going to stay. I told them there's no bed. So, I will show you guys. Look, dito yung mga filming equipment ko. Dito sa ano. Yeah, so, yeah, tignan nyo. Wala na akong makita sa labas. Mga shadow na lang. Okay, I have to stop vacuuming, guys. The lightning, it's getting harder and harder, and it's getting darker and darker outside, though. Yeah. So, oh shit. Okay, guys, I won't film. I'm going downstairs. I will see you later, guys. I see a lot of lightning, guys. I have to shut the TV off too. The rain stops, guys, but I still hear thunder. Stopping. It's nice. I have a kind of pain. May sakit yung ano ko, guys. Yung ahem ko, guys. Poor Roxy. She put her head inside. I know you cannot get in over there. I know you're jealous. You wanna play with your brother, right? She want to play with her brother, guys. But she cannot get in. But she put her head in the gate door. What did you hear? It's just the people go swimming. The neighbor went swimming to their pool, swimming pool. They went to swimming pool, to the pool. You cannot join them. You're not allowed to join. What are you hearing? Do you want some din din? Are you ready to have Denden? I call Dada. Dada doesn't answer. Do you wanna go get him? Let's go get him. Do you wanna go get Dada? Oh my lordy. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Get down now. Get down. I'm gonna go get a living now. I'm gonna leave now, baby. What? She heard House playing. She really want to go join them now. Yes, I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you so much. I do. I do love you very much. Yes. Yes, I do. Oh, it's that. Hello. I tried to call you. Hi guys, I'm having dinner. Oh my god. Yung ulam ko is the leftover steak and then I recook. I put a lot of garlic. Yung magi sabor para pang flavor. So I'm using my finger. What? And also, of course, itong vinegar with lemon at saka yung sili. Nagkamay ako guys. Para ma-enjoy ko talaga. This is the T-bone steak that we had. And we don't finish it. So, the leftover I always like to recook. So good. The steak is really good. The meat is so tasty. Plus the spicy vinegar with lemon. Nakakaloka. Roxy staring at me like, where's mine? Shower this with vinegar, the bone, and then I will get the end of it. I don't know, Rox. I know you can see what I feel right now, Rox. If you don't like the way I eat, this is me. Roxy's head is like crazy. Look, the T-bone. This is a T-bone steak and this is the bone. That's why they call it T-bone steak, because the bone is T. So, I'm gonna shower it. Roxy's licking her chops. Poor Roxy. Paliguan natin. Roxy's head. I know, baby. I cannot even break it. Look at this. Oh, the meat just fall apart. So tender. The meat that is close to the bone, the better. That's the best meat ever. Steak or pork. And closer to the fat area too. That meat around it, around the bone and around the fat. That's the best meat. Just gonna shut that light off, the outside light. I have to shut it off. I know. Oops. oops. I forgot to say bye-bye to you guys this vlog. I'm editing this vlog today. And then I noticed that there's no bye. I forgot to end the vlog properly. So because I forgot to end the vlog, so I'm gonna do insert shout out. I'm going to insert shout out. I'm going to say hi to Sino ba? Heidi or Heidi. Hi sis Heidi. Salamat sa pag-offer sis ha sa yung mag-swap, yung mga swap drugstore. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung mga swap na yan, pero ako sa hindi man sa sis ha, kasi mahirap pa ngayong panahon na ito. So, ano na lang sis, i-hold natin yan ha sis Heidi, if you are listening, i-hold natin yan, gawa natin yan ng paraan, magtipon ako ha, para
makaswap naman tayo ng ano. Gustong-gusto ko yan talaga. Salamat Sis Heidi sa mga ganyan ha. So sana hindi ka magalit ha. Ano lang kasi, pag-ipunan ko muna yan at saka pangpadala. Yun. So, yun. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano international. Yung sa Pilipinas kasi, para akong naano sa Philippines kasi mahal at saka parang, alam nyo na pag yung tumanggap may babayaran dun. So, hindi ko alam from to other country kung paano magpadala ng mga product. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung padala. At saka, ipunan ko talaga yan sis. Ipunan ko muna yung pagpaprocess ko ng mga papilis ko kasi meron pa akong dapat i-process. So pag-ipunan natin yan. Sis Heidi, salamat. Shout out to you. So anyway, so another shout out guys. Shout out kay, sino ba? Shout out kay Aisha Breakhoys. Ano ba to? Ilagay ko yung pangalan niya dito, okay? Aisha Breakhoys. Breakhoys. Okay, yun na ang pangalan niya. So, hi sis! Salamat sa panonood lagi. At saka, shout out ko lang si Jubilita. May channel din siya. Hi B! Salamat sa panonood. Mile Tumbongera, na-miss ko. Si Inday Gudiday, nasaan ka na Inday? Magparamdam ka na, okay? So, marami pa dyan. Salamat sa inyo ha. Salamat sa time ninyo. Anyway guys, thank you all guys so much for watching my video. Sa mga silent viewers, sa mga nagla-likes, please click the like button guys. Laking tulong na yan sa akin guys. Yung like na button na yan guys, i-click nyo yan lang. Kapag hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe na din kayo guys. So anyway guys, salamat sa inyo. I appreciate it so much. And also watch out for my next video guys because yung mga kaibigan ko andito sila nung isang araw. That was Monday. Yeah, they were here. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will appreciate it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Mostly, ano ba? There's nothing wrong with it. We're putting your manu.